Shut the fuck up!
No, but you gotta take
Okay, I can't wait to go to bed because I have a bed.
just in case.
Where'd you get that bed?
Hey, I went.
I helped.
I hope it don't rain.
Yeah, you showed me how to do it. Thank you.
I was gonna help. You said
No. I was very surprised how fast it went.
it went up there.
Very surprised.
Only because
I think it went up faster than when they were doing the tube.
Well, that's that.
On the river. So while the shit's done, I heard it go. I'm like, no, wait. Okay, plug it. I thought you said it wasn't supposed to.
No, you gotta push it in.
Comes
before
down
you-
to 1/4 of the
Either way, this
So you gotta climb in your buddy, then climb in your tent, and turn around.
I can't wait to bounce on my bed. Are you
recording? Hey!
Tina, what are you doing?
Videotaping you guys.
Cut the motherfucking camera!
I can't wait to put this on seat.
We've seen that earlier.
Oh, I'm sorry. That's legal in the water, not on land.
Yeah, I don't do that.
Oh, bitch, you don't even stop.
She's freaking taping us. Taping us.
Who? Tina, what the fuck?
Light it.
Hey,
I think
whoever made this drink, yep, got to take the seeds out.
No, this fucking.
This seed's in there.
Hey, what is it?
But
This seed's in there.
Responsibility.
Now there is.
that's probably.